A small, flatworm might one day help unlock one of humanity's most elusive scientific goals, reversing the aging process. In a new study from the University of Michigan, researchers have made a compelling case that planarians, simple freshwater creatures long known for their impressive regenerative abilities, might hold the key to understanding how aging can not only be slowed but actually reversed across an entire organism. While this might sound like science fiction, the findings, published in Nature Aging, point toward real biological mechanisms that could inspire future breakthroughs in medicine and human health. Planarians have fascinated scientists for over a century, largely due to their ability to regenerate entire body parts, even their heads, after injury. But what Longhua, PhD, and his team have discovered goes far beyond mere regeneration. Their research shows that these creatures actually undergo a rejuvenation process that improves their fertility, neural function, and physiological performance after regeneration. In effect, they are able to reset their age, growing new, fully functional tissue that seems biologically younger than what it replaced. This is particularly striking because, like mammals, planarians do show signs of aging. They lose muscle mass, neurons, and reproductive capacity over time. But when they regenerate, these declines are reversed. Perhaps even more exciting is the fact that these planarians don't lose adult stem cells as they age, a stark contrast to most mammals, including humans, who experience a steady depletion of stem cells as the years pass. This unique quality enables planarians not only to recover from injury, but to rebuild tissue with the same efficiency and completeness regardless of age. That capacity is especially intriguing to researchers because it challenges the assumption that regenerative ability must diminish with age. If scientists can understand the genetic and cellular instructions behind this process, there may be a path toward mimicking or stimulating similar effects in humans. The implications are vast. If regeneration in planarians can be tied to specific molecular programs or gene expressions, and if those pathways overlap with aging markers in mammals, as this study suggests they do, then there is a real possibility that age-related decline in humans could one day be halted or even reversed. Gua's team found that the biological signatures of aging in planarians share strong similarities with those in mice, rats, and humans. Even more notably, the rejuvenated planarians also mirrored molecular profiles found in lifespan-extended mice that had undergone anti-aging interventions. This suggests that whatever is happening in the planarians isn't just unique to their species, but taps into a more universal biological script. Gua's next step will be to identify exactly which genes and cell types are responsible for triggering the regenerative reversal. If these can be isolated and tested in more complex organisms, including mammals, we may edge closer to a future in which medicine does more than just manage the symptoms of aging. It could potentially roll it back. There are, of course, major challenges ahead. Translating the biology of simple invertebrates into meaningful treatments for humans is no small task. Human physiology is far more complex, and what works in planarians might not work the same way, or at all, in us. Still, these findings are cause for optimism. They shift the scientific conversation from merely slowing aging to the possibility of reversing it, at least in part. And they offer a rare glimpse at a creature that doesn't just defy aging, but appears to defeat it. Rather than a futuristic fantasy, age reversal is becoming a legitimate scientific inquiry, grounded in real biological processes observed in living organisms. Planarians are not just an oddity of nature. They may be nature's blueprint for something far more profound. If their secrets can be unlocked, the path to longer, healthier human lives may be closer than we ever imagined.